36mm nut on. Turn it the other way. This thing's like really torquey. Okay, be funny till I break my wrist. Welcome back, everybody, and thank you for being here. Today we have a short video, something a little different. Ivan from Seesii had shipped me out an impact gun and a socket set, and I want to see the quality of it. I mean, I can only loosen so many bolts and nuts, but we have our big 36mm nut on the drum at 250 pound right now. I want to see if that comes off very easily, things of that nature. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. All right, first things first. Let's open these up. Careful with the straight edge, don't be like me. And the receipt. I want to see what the, wow, heavy. Let's take a look at these and see what the deal is. There's 11 piece, they are a 1/2 inch, and they are impact. Oh, they wrapped these up. Okay. Let me get the plastic off. Let me get the plastic off. There we go. They're very heavy, I will say that. Now, this is a nice assortment. If you've seen something pop off, it was the end here. Popped off in the package from shipping, but that's just to keep those from falling off. But as you see here, you have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17, 19, 21, 22, 24. These sizes here, I swear they're all for Beetle, but they work on anything, obviously. There's your 10mm, plan on losing it, because we all lose 10mm sockets. But they honestly do feel pretty heavy. They are a nice quality. Now, I can't say if they'll crack or anything crazy, but they're very heavy, just like we grew up with years ago, if you're older like me. Nice heavy set. What I can see here is what I'll probably do. As you see it tilted on its side, I think I'm going to put a screw through there and a screw through there and hang it on the wall so I can just grab them as I need them. But so far, so good. I'm going to have to pop that back in again, but once it screws to the wall, it'll hold it. It don't matter. All that does is keep the sockets from rolling up. But that's a nice setup. Let's open the impact gun and see what we have there. Let's move these aside. Thank you, Ivan. That looks like a very, very nice set. Let's get this opened up. Always be careful like me. A receipt inside of there, which they did sponsor. I did not pay for that. Oh, they double boxed. Okay, let me get rid of this. There's my neighbor's dog barking. All right, well, they packaged it well, that's for sure. They double boxed it. And it's in a carry case. They weren't playing around, were they? Thank you, Ivan. Okay. And another case. Let me bring you up closer so we could see how well it's organized. Let's open her up. Nice carrying case. I like that. It's all padded. And Seesii instruction manual. You don't need that to know how to read it, or to work it, I should say. There's a clip. And the clip has a little screw, and I imagine it hooks onto your belt. Very cool. My Milwaukee has one of those. They give a few sockets with it, a 24, a 21, and a 19, probably a 17. Yeah, I swear it's Volkswagen related. There is our charger. Class 2 power supply technology. Okay. And they gave 2 batteries right there. If you want to see the specs. You want to check if they're charged, hit the button. Oh, good, there's 3 on it. Good, I don't have to charge it first. There is an extension. I didn't see that. Impact extension. Second battery, which is very convenient. I wonder if that one's charged too. Yep, 3 on that one too. 3 out of 4. Ain't bad. Okay, let's check out Seesii impact gun. Wow, it's heavy. It's actually a good thing. Some people might complain, but I don't. I'd rather have it. Wow, this is nicer than I thought it was going to be. Feels heavier than my Milwaukee. It is brushless. I will say this feels good in the hand. I'm not BSing you. This is a heavy gun. Let's put the battery in. Wow. I got a lot of torque. Okay, and here is your bracket that you put on to hang on your belt. I'm not putting it on right now, but that would clip on your belt and hang. I think this thing would pull your pants down. It's literally that heavy. That is heavier than my Milwaukee. And you can check it up here, and you can check it here. Hit that button, and you can see where it's charged to. I'm pretty impressed with all this. Okay, let's mess around with it. Something else I forgot to mention, I don't know if I said it already, this is a 1/2-inch drive. So if you're using 3/8 drive sockets, you just need to get an adapter, which is not a big deal. You probably have one already. But the point I'm making, this is heavy duty. This is for real work. So let me check the specs here on this. Now, for any of you that do follow me on a normal basis, this is a 68 Beetle swing axle nut. They are 253 foot-pound is what I have mine to right now, although I think I need to lower it. But I got it on there at 253 foot-pounds. So let's see if this struggles. Now, the battery's not completely charged. It's 3 out of 4. It's 75%, right? So let's see up close. I'll bring you up here. Let's see if I bust this loose that easy or if it struggles. Okay, let's put our 36mm nut on. Turn it the other way. This thing's like really torquey. Okay, be funny till I break my wrist. All right, now if it don't, I'm not going to be upset. There's not a lot of impacts that'll ugga-dug it off. Oh, you got to be kidding. Really? It broke it loose like it was a joke. Wow. Okay, that kind of... I didn't expect that. Thank you, Seesii. My Milwaukee won't do that. Now, one thing I'll say here, it jumps in my hand. It's supposed to be 886 foot-pounds of torque. I don't know if it'll pull that off, but I can assure you of one thing. My Milwaukee that I always use, and I love this, it's a good screw gun. I've taken a lot of nuts and bolts off with it. It's not as heavy as that. And I know some of you will say, Milwaukee's a good brand. It actually is. So is DeWalt and the rest of them. But for the price difference, I must say, yeah, I don't have any other really nuts and bolts I can sit here and pull apart. But I will say one thing. I'm actually quite surprised. It is heavy now. But then again, if you want quality, it's a heavy gun. But unless you're carrying it around all day, you're not going to have an issue. Now, you can only watch me loosen and tighten so many bolts. So I went straight for the big boy immediately, the 36mm castle nut that was 253 foot-pound. Legitimately, I'm being honest, because I'll tell you if something stinks. This really has some torque. That's no joke. And it does come with 2 batteries, a charger. The socket set is separate, but they do give you sockets inside the case too. So in your 1/2-inch drive, you can put your impacts on if you have them, but they seem like nice high-quality ones that they had sent with them. I give Seesii a 2 thumbs up on this. Like I said, I can go around loosening other little nuts and bolts up, but that's stupid. You're not going to sit here and watch it. I know what you're like. I'm just kidding. I don't even know you. But the point being, it's a heavy gun. At first, I was a little disappointed because of the weight of it, but truthfully, I think it's worth the extra weight because of the torque it has. It literally it's a nice torquey gun. Will it do 800 pounds? I don't know, but they claim it does. But I will say one thing. I'm going to do some ball joints. I picked up some spare arms, so I'm going to install new ball joints in them. You know what Beetles are like. And I'm going to have to use the C-clamp style press. And I'm going to use this and see if it puts them in. If it don't, I won't be upset. So you'll see this on a lot of upcoming videos. So Ivan, thank you very much. This is a very, very nice gun. I do highly recommend it. So if Seesii decides to send me more products, I will show you at all times. This one was just a harder product to show, so I went straight for the high torque nut to show you, although I didn't think it was going to pull it off. I was a little shocked by that. I thought it would struggle a little, but it just turned it immediately. So it is a nice gun. So, okay, we'll see you next time around.